Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now guys, AirPod Pros. In AirPods in general, what a design feature. A wireless, compact set of earbuds with its own chargeable case, and especially with the fast wireless charging on the AirPod Pros. But these were revolutionary in terms of noise cancellation on the Pros and how easy they were to add straight into your Apple ecosystem with seamless connectivity and being able to swap between your devices. When I purchased this, or these, they were cost me about £220. Now I have something to admit. This is my second set. The first set, again, lasted me less than 18 months. And part of that was also in that 18 months, was a replacement right earbud, because the right earbud became tinny. It is the one I use the most, but it became tinny. And any bass couldn't play it. It was horrible in your ear. Now, another 6 months passed and I decided that, do you know what, I'm going to make the investment. They are good for the Apple ecosystem, and I'm going to go and buy another set. Now we're probably another 18 months to 2 years down the line, and it's happening again. The right earbud has become tinny. And I then had this decision. Do I pay another £220, or in the deals very recently, in the most recent ones, there was some deals putting it to about £198. Or if I'm going to replace a set of headphones every 18 months to 2 years anyway, do I bother? Because that's a lot of money and doesn't seem like a very good investment. Now, I don't know if I've just been unlucky and with these, but it seems to be the same thing. The right one is the one I use the most. But I don't do anything vigorous with them. I don't wear them out on a run. I don't wear them in the shower, in the bathroom with the shower and everything running in the background with steam or whatever. I'm pretty much using these while sat at a desk or sat on the sofa in the evening with my iPad, relaxing and chilling and just watching what we all do and scroll through social media. But this time round, I just couldn't justify it. Spending £220 again for another 18 months worth. It just doesn't seem worth the investment. And that comes into it as well with why I bought just a generic set of earbuds. And this is just an Amazon find. These are just called A60 Pros. And look, it's just a similar size, if not slightly smaller. It has a percentage of the case on here. And you know what? The sound of them is actually really good. And for me, not really using the noise cancellation that much, I didn't really need and see the point. And these on Amazon were about £50. Okay, I don't have the wireless charging, but it still has a USB-C charger on the bottom, unlike the Lightning on the bottom of my AirPod Pros. So in terms of my experience so far with this set, I get more battery life. After between 3 and 4 hours of just watching social media videos of these, it would die. However, with the same amount of time sitting on the sofa watching the social media videos, I have yet to drain the battery on one of those AirPods. They've lasted me 3 to 4 hours maybe that I'm sitting around in the evening or listening to music or doing whatever. And the battery case, if I'm charging it straight from the case here, these, you see here, I charged that not last night but the night before, and it's on 97%. And I used that right earbud again pretty much most of last night. So battery life is actually better. The price is better. Even if this lasts me a year, and I have to buy another set to last me another year, so 2 years I would have spent about £100. Whereas in 18 months, and every 18 months or 2 years, I'm spending £220. You tell me what is better value. These AirPods, and here, the new ones, the A60 Pros, also are just as seamless to connect to my iPad, my MacBook, my phone, which is an Android, and also the MacBook Pro 2011, which you've also seen on this channel. So that begs the question, is it worth spending that £220 on AirPod Pros just for the Apple ecosystem? I know that we do generally pay over the odds for Apple products for the software and the ecosystem, but this is a set of earbuds. And yes, okay, it connected seamlessly by opening the, you can connect it by opening the actual lid. But the A60 Pros worked in a similar way. Open the lid, and it automatically then becomes discoverable for Bluetooth. I then just searched in the Bluetooth and connected it. It wasn't that difficult. The same as you would do with a Bluetooth mouse or anything along those lines on a computer. So I'm going to ask you guys, what are your thoughts on this in the comments below? Do you think that spending all that money on some AirPods is worth it? Some of you might absolutely love it, and some of you might have had a better experience than what I have had with mine. Maybe I have been unlucky. And if I wanted to, I could replace the individual right earbud on the Apple website by typing in the serial number. And I would then have to spend around £90 for an individual earbud to be sent over. But because obviously I've given the serial number, it's automatically linked to this case. But that's another £90, £50. I'm just going to leave that there. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Do you think I'm overreacting? Do you think I've been unlucky? Or have you had similar circumstances to me? Have you been really unlucky with your AirPods? Don't get me wrong, the sound is great. I just don't notice a massive difference between the two, especially with earpods when you listen to music or etc. It's not always going to be used. If you're going to be using it on a professional level, you're probably going to be using the AirPod Maxes with the overhead headset, which then you're going to be spending £400 on. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like button, and please do leave a comment below on your thoughts on this. And guys, if you like videos like this and you like reviews and putting stuff to the test in general and technology, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. So thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you all on the next one.